Push-ups are one of the most loved body weight exercises. It's my personal favorite too. It targets chest and triceps. But by adding more variations, you can target more muscle groups like shoulder and core. So get on the floor and let's try these variations together. First of all, we have the normal push-up. To do a push-up properly, you need to bend your arms 45 degrees like this. Don't bend sideways, 45 degrees. Common mistakes while doing push-ups is arching your back and not doing full range of motion. And if you bend your arms backwards instead of 45 degrees, the push-up gets harder and you will feel more tension in your triceps. Next, we have wide push-ups. Wide push-ups mostly targets chest. To do this, keep your arms more than shoulder width apart and perform the push-up. It helps in increasing upper body strength and core stability. Knuckle push-ups. If you want to increase your punch strength, you can do knuckle push-ups. In knuckle push-ups, you rest your arms on your knuckles instead of the palms. The benefits of doing knuckle push-up is you get more range of motion and it increases your upper body strength. But one thing you should keep in mind is you can't do the same amount of reps by doing knuckle push-ups. And to avoid any injury, use a mat while doing knuckle push-ups. Diamond push-ups. To do diamond push-ups, bring your arms together, forming a diamond kind of shape. And do push-ups by bending your elbows backwards. You will feel the burn in triceps after a couple of reps. Explosive push-ups. To do explosive push-ups, get into the push-up position and lower yourself till your chest touches the ground. And push yourself off the ground till your hands are no longer resting on the ground. And then get into the starting position. Explosive push-ups help in increasing upper body strength and core stability. Pike push-ups. Pike push-ups mainly targets the shoulders. To do pike push-up, make an inverted V shape with your body. Bend your elbows without lowering your hips. The more distance between your hands and legs, the easier the pike push-up gets. So progressively try to decrease the distance between hands and legs, making the pike push-up harder.
Handstand push-ups are a great way to increase shoulder strength. But if you don't have enough strength to do handstand push-up, start by doing pike push-up and increase your strength. Balance. Move down, touching your head to the ground, and move up, performing the push-up.
And if you can't kick up to the wall, walk your way up to the handstand position like this. The next variation is archer push-up. Place your arms more than shoulder width apart and lean towards one arm as if you're doing the one arm push-up, while the other arm assists. If one of your arm is weaker than the other, archer push-up is a great way to close that gap. And if you want to do one arm push-up, you can progress from archer push-up, as most of the weight is applied on a single arm in archer push-up. And that brings us to the next variation, one arm push-up. In one arm push-up, all the weight is applied on a single arm, and a lot of core strength is used just to maintain the balance. If you can't even maintain the position, work on the balance first. But you can also widen the distance between legs to make the one arm push-up easier. Pseudo plunge push-up. To do this, get into the push-up position and walk forward with your legs till your arms are besides your waist, and then do the push-up. It targets your chest, tricep and shoulders, and it is a great way to build your strength up to a plunge. If all this is too hard for you, or if you can't even do push-ups, then you can start with knee push-ups or incline push-ups. To do knee push-ups, get into push-up positions on your knees and start doing push-ups. It is much easier than a normal push-up, and you can increase your strength by doing this. To do incline push-ups, place your hands on a higher surface and do push-ups. Some of the balance is shifted to your legs this way, and the push-up becomes easier. But if all this feels very easy for you, then you can try doing decline push-ups, weighted push-ups, or pause at the bottom. Pause at the bottom is very effective. Keep making mistakes, but learn from them. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.